Welcome to Dynamic Bullet. Host, energetic. Hey there, YouTube fam. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss. The Adobe Express Online free version. If you're on the lookout for a convenient and accessible way to edit your photos without any cost, you've come to the right place. So, let's dive right in and learn how to make the most of Adobe Express Online. Cut to screen recording of the Adobe Express Online website. Host, voiceover. To get started, open up your favorite web browser and head to the Adobe Express Online website. Once you're there, you'll be greeted with an intuitive and user-friendly interface designed to make your photo editing experience smooth and enjoyable. Cut to the host demonstrating various features on the screen. Host. Now, let's take a look at some of the key features that Adobe Express Online has to offer. First up, we have the powerful Crop tool. It allows you to easily adjust the composition of your photo by removing unwanted elements or creating a specific aspect ratio. Simply select the area you want to keep and click Apply. Cut to screen recording of the host using the Crop tool. Host, voiceover. Next, we have the Adjustments panel. This feature gives you precise control over essential aspects of your photo, such as brightness, contrast, saturation, and more. You can fine-tune these settings to bring out the best in your images. Cut to screen recording of the host adjusting the brightness and contrast. Host, voiceover. Moving on, Adobe Express Online offers a wide range of stunning filters and effects. With just a click, you can completely transform the mood and style of your photo. Whether you're aiming for a vintage vibe or a modern look, the possibilities are endless. Cut to screen recording of the host applying different filters and effects. Host, voiceover. One feature I absolutely love is the Text tool. It lets you add stylish and eye-catching text overlays to your photos. Whether it's a catchy caption or a personalized message, you can easily customize the font, size, color, and position to create the perfect text element. Cut to screen recording of the host adding text to a photo. Host, voiceover. Finally, once you're satisfied with your edits, Adobe Express Online allows you to save and export your masterpiece. You can download the edited photo directly to your computer or share it on your favorite social media platforms. It's effortless and convenient. Cut to screen recording of the host saving and exporting a photo. Host. And there you have it, folks. A quick rundown of how to utilize the Adobe Express Online free version. It's an incredible tool for anyone looking to enhance their photos without the need for expensive software or complicated installations. Closing shot. The video ends with the host giving a thumbs up. Host. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're excited to try out Adobe Express Online. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more fantastic content. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and happy editing with Adobe Express Online. End screen. The video concludes with the host's previous videos and a subscribe button displayed on the screen.